To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Razor Pro R, follow these steps. Always allow the engine to cool completely before performing this procedure. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area and ensure the transmission is in park. Next, remove the 4 cargo box fasteners. Then, lift the cargo box up and out to remove from the vehicle. Next, remove the 4 fasteners, 4 electrical harness connections, and remove the ignition coils. Continue by cleaning out the plug wells with compressed air to remove any loose dirt or debris. Then, rinse the plug wells with water and dry with compressed air. Spark plug wells have drain holes built into the cylinder head to allow water to drain out. Now, carefully remove the spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. If reusing, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Then, inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion of the electrodes. Next, inspect the spark plugs for the correct color. The normal isolator tip is gray, tan, or light brown with a few combustion deposits with unburnt and uneroded electrodes. This indicates the proper type and heat range for the engine and the service. The tip should not be white. A white insulator tip indicates overheating caused by an improper spark plug or incorrect throttle body adjustments. A wet fouled insulator tip is black. If it is black, this usually means excessive oil consumption, use of non-recommended oil, or poor fuel quality. Continue by cleaning the spark plug with electrical contact cleaner or a glass bead spark plug cleaner only. A wire brush or coated abrasive should not be used. Then, measure the spark plug gap with a wire gauge. Adjust gap, if necessary, by carefully bending the side electrode. If necessary, replace the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended spark plugs. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect spark plug is used. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Before continuing, apply a light coat of dielectric grease to the bottom of the ignition coils. Then, reinstall the ignition coils and ensure they are pushed all the way down so they engage on the spark plugs. Torque fasteners to specification. Then, reconnect the ignition coil harness connectors and verify that the connections are properly secured. Next, reinstall the cargo box and torque to specification. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.